Hello, I'm Eric Tanner with Principal LED. I'm in the engineering department, and I'm here to kind of discuss and talk with you about our Qwik Boxes. We've got several different options for you. We've got our doubles and we've got our singles. I can kind of open these things up and kind of show you the insides. These come fully furnished with our power supplies and then all our connections to get you complete. The main thing we have our doubles, which come with 3 different options. Our singles, and then our doubles have looks like 7 different options that you can have. Everything is checked off on the front of the box when you get it. It'll be highlighted with the check mark with which product that you have inside of this thing. Let's kind of dig inside here and show what you got. When you open these things up, you'll have a installation guide with each one of these things, and it's basically 6 simple little steps that you've got going, and you've got your screws that actually mount your front panel. The main thing is these things are UL rated for wet locations, as long as these things are installed vertically. Another big promotional side on this thing is going to be your UL rating with the divider here. It's going to be dividing. This is going to divide our primary from our secondary wiring. The main thing is we've got our toggle switch that's going to be also included with this thing, and then our grommets for our secondary wiring. Your primary side is coming in on this side, which you'll have your conduit coming in. In between that, you've got your divider here to divide this stuff up, and then you have your primary or your secondary coming out, and it's very easy to wire this thing up. So another thing is we've got our different features with our doubles and our singles. They come in different variations with single 60-watt power supplies. You can have them up to 2 60-watt power supplies. You can have them a single 120, a double 120, a 267. So you've got several different options that you can have in this thing. So it's very easy to install, very quick and easy, very time saving with your labor on your end users. So that's one of the big selling factors of this thing. Plus, being a UL rated Qwik box is going to be really your most important thing that you can sell this thing for. So if you ever have any other questions or concerns with this thing, just give us a call, or you can always resort back to our website, which is www.p-led.com. So feel free to give us a call. This is what we're here for. We can help you out. Have a good day.